Good morning, students. Today I am explain about microorganism used in biofertilizer production. Microbes as biofertilizers can be a good substitute. There are benefits of synthetic pesticides to an till now it is hard to find a replacement for them, but today biofertilizers are being used instead of chemical pesticides. The use of microbes as biofertilizers make this type of fertilizer very same and they do not possess any ill effects like the synthetic ones. And the microorganism has biofertilizers are as various types. Each type has its exclusive function and capability. There are broadly six types of microbes used as biofertilizers. They are Rhizobia, Azotobacter, Azospirillum, blue-green algae, Azolla, and phosphate solubilizing bacteria or phosphate solubilizing microorganism. First one, Rhizobia. Rhizobium is known as the most effective and widely used biofertilizer, and the rhizobium in association with leguminous plants fixes atmospheric nitrogen in forms that can be used by the plants. Legumes and their symbiotic association with the rhizobium bacteria result in the formation of root nodules that fix atmospheric nitrogen. And the rhizobium population in the soil depends on the presence of legume crops in the field. The population of rhizobium in the soil diminishes in the absence of legumes. It largely depends on the environmental condition. A rhizobium species and the size of your crop they contribute to increasing plant growth and plant nutrition and soil fertility, and it has no fatalistic effects on the soil or the environment. For every leguminous crop, a different type of rhizobium species is required. The role of microbes in biofertilizer is phenomenal. And the second one is Azospirillum. Azospirillum is identified to have a close associative symbiosis with the higher plant system. These bacteria have an association with cereals such as sorghum, maize, pearl millet, finger millet, and many other minor millets, and also fodder grasses. And these also provide certain antibiotics and growth substances to the plant along with fixing nitrogen. And azospirillum are not free living as they live inside the plant's root where the atmospheric nitrogen fixation takes place. Azospirillum can be used in wetland conditions as it is likely to be suitable for growth, and pH of 6 must be maintained in this type of biofertilizer for best result. And Third one is Azotobacter. Azotobacter. These are nitrogen fixers that are free living in nature and are found in a wide variety of upland crops. Besides fixing nitrogen, they also supply antibiotics and growth elements to the plant. Azospirillum, a in wetland conditions, are unsuitable for these bacterial biofertilizer to survive. Regular application of azotobacter is required as they contain very minimal fertility. And fourth one is blue green algae. These are photosynthetic nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria that can only be found in damp and marshy areas. They are free living in nature and are of many colors like red, brown, and sometimes even purple. Blue green algae are also referred to as rice organism due to their abundance in the rice field. And most of the nitrogen fixation blue green algae are filamentous, consisting of a chain of vegetative cells including specific cells called the heterocyst that function as a micronodules for synthesis and nitrogen fixing machinery. And one drawback of using them is that these blue green algae cannot survive in acidic soil. Fifth one is Azolla. Azolla. Azolla is different from other bacterial biofertilizers. It is a free floating water fern. It helps in fixing the nitrogen and is a renewable biofertilizer. Just like blue-green algae, microorganisms as biofertilizers are produced in masses in the forms itself. It has the quality of multiplying fast, which allows it to control the growth of weed in flooded rice fields, and it is a good quality feeding source for poultry as well as cattle and as green manure. And sixth one is phosphate solubilizing microorganism. Phosphate solubilizing microorganisms are groups of fungi that are capable of disintegrating insoluble phosphates to make them obtainable for crops. They need a good amount of organic matter in the soil to be of great use. They are so important because there is only a third of phosphorus in the soil, which is actually obtainable for the crops, and remaining is insoluble. And the next topic is mycorrhiza. There is a symbiotic relationship between fungi and plant roots. They play a significant role in soil binding and microbial activity. For example, VAM, vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, biofertilizer to plants rhizoids, leading to the development of hyphae that cause a significant increase in the rhizosphere. A WAM is a unique symbiotic relationship with the roots of the plant and fungi. It can enhance the growth and survivability of plants. And WAM biofertilizer is highly beneficial in organic farming and normal commercial farming. Mycorrhizal fungi uptakes minerals from organic matter for the plant. And next topic is how are biofertilizers important and its various benefits. Biofertilizer microbes are used as a fixer for nutrients in the soil, especially the nitrogen insufficiency. And a biofertilizer is a living organism and it can convert composite organic material into simple compound, so it can be easy for the plants to take them. With microorganisms used as biofertilizers, it has enhanced the plant growth enormously and gives soil its richness back. And instead of controlling growth, they advance the growth process in plants, especially when it comes to new seed growth. Thank you.